subscribe and press the bell button to get the videos immediately. Dear Aquarius sign, Aquarius ascendant, Avitam 3rd, 4th Padam, Sadayam, Purattadi 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam, star viewers. Your sign lord and 12th house lord Saturn in the 12th house Capricorn will make you travel more and spend more. Situation will be such that everything will be in a roundabout route to get success. As it is the native house of Saturn, end result will be favorable and it will be a life lesson. Saturn aspects over 2nd house Pisces, 6th house Cancer, 9th house Libra. Fund flow will have bumps. Flexibility and keep the mouth tight will be the best way to maintain harmony in the family. Family members may not cooperate. Be cautious in financial dealings like lending and borrowing. Don't stand as surety for anyone in financial transactions. Take care of your father's health with due medical advice. You may have difference of opinion with your father. Be careful while driving vehicles and avoid driving vehicles during night. To avoid problems, don't take part in the parties given by friends. 2nd and 11th house lord Jupiter in 12th house Capricorn and make you spend more and travel more on joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled and you may get unexpected percentage of profits. Elder siblings will cooperate. Jupiter aspects over 4th house Taurus, 6th house Cancer, 8th house Virgo. So, there is no hindrance for luxuries and comforts. There may be marked improvements in mother's health. Postpone purchase of house, land and vehicles this month as the planetary situation is not favorable. Ailments so far suffered in your health will come to an end. Chance of clearing old debts are seen. If ever you feel any ailment, better consult medically. Don't stand as surety for anyone in financial dealings. Avoid lending and borrowing. Be away from court cases and controversies. Chances for clearance of pending cases are seen. 3rd and 10th house Lord Mars will be in 8th house Virgo till October 20th and on October 21st he moves to 9th house Libra. So you may not have a satisfactory situation in business, trade and career. You may feel that why it is only for me. But after October 21st, when Mars moves to 9th house Libra, everything will change. Your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to face anything. Business, trade and career will progress. Your working skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated by superiors. 9th and 10th house Lord Venus in 10th house Scorpio along with Dragon Ketu. It is not a favorable combination, but 9th and 10th house combination will favor you. But you have to take care of your own health and your parents and the elders in the family. Women in this sign have to face so many problems and pressures in the family with children, husband, parents and elders. This month is not so favorable to artists. 5th and 8th house Lord Mercury on October 1st transits to Virgo in a retrograded status and he'll be there in Virgo till the end of the month after retrogradation. Children may behave in a different manner. So be cautious with their activities and the friend circle. Chances for sudden money flow and luck is seen. Education side is not so bright for students. Don't plan anything about future this month. 7th house Lord Sun in 8th house Virgo in the first half of the month and moves to 9th house Libra in a debilitated status. So partnership business may not be successful. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. There may be arguments between spouses. Both of the spouse will argue and they won't come to a conclusion and they won't listen to each other. That is the situation. So better maintain peace and avoid controversies. Planetary situation is not favorable for politicians this month. month begins with 6th house Lord Moon in the 6th house Cancer itself. To overcome confusions and problems created by 5th house Taurus Dragon Ragu and 10th house Scorpio Dragon Ketu, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. Worship of Lord Dakshinamurti and Kala Bhairava is favorable this month. Moon moves to 8th house on October 6th and 7th. On these days, be careful. Avoid travels, new ventures and controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. Nature and behavior of planets were explained generally based on Tirukanitam Panchangam. Based on your birth chart, present dasa and bhukti, predictions may vary. Check for both ascendants and zodiac sign. If your ascendant and zodiac sign are one and the same, you follow the prediction for both. If they are different, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Moon sign is going to affect the perspective of your psychology, and ascendant is the perception of reality through your consciousness. Planetary status in October 2021. October 1st, Mercury retrogrades to Virgo. October 2nd, Venus moves to Scorpio. October 17th, Sun moves to Libra. October 21st, Mars moves to Libra. October 31st, Venus moves to Sagittarius. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.